The world of sharks, masters of the ocean. Sharks are among the most fascinating and feared creatures in the ocean. For over 400 million years, they have dominated the marine world, adapting to a variety of environments and evolving into some of the most efficient predators on the planet. In this exploration of the world of sharks, we will dive into their biology, behaviors, habitats, and their critical role in maintaining the balance, diversity. There are more than 500 species of sharks, ranging from the tiny dwarf lantern shark, which is only about 20 centimeters long, to the massive whale shark, the largest fish in the world, growing up to 12 meters in length. Sharks come in many shapes and sizes. But they all share key characteristics: cartilage-based skeletons, multiple rows of teeth, and highly developed senses. Some of the most well-known species include the great white. Evolution and adaptation. Sharks have survived 5 mass extinction events, which speaks to their remarkable adaptability and evolutionary success. Their bodies are built for survival in the ocean. Unlike bony fish, sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, which is lighter and more flexible, allowing them to be agile swimmers. They also have a unique skin texture made up of dermal denticles, ismal, tooth-like structures that reduce water resistance, enabling sharks to shark S. One of the reasons sharks are such efficient predators is their highly developed senses. Their keen sense of smell allows them to detect a drop of blood in the water from several miles away, making them excellent hunters. Sharks also have a unique sensory organ called the ampulla of Lorenzini, which can detect the electric fields generated by the movement of other animals. This ability is particularly useful in detecting prey that is hidden in the sand or swimming in murky water. Feeding habits and hunting techniques. Sharks are carnivorous and feed on a wide variety of marine animals, including fish, seals, wrasse, and even other sharks. The hunting techniques of sharks vary depending on the species. For example, great white sharks are known for their dramatic breaching behavior when hunting seals. They launch themselves out of the water at high speeds to surprise their prey. Hammerhead sharks, on the other hand, use their uniquely shaped heads to pin down stingrays on the ocean floor. Sharks' teeth are another marvel of nature. They have multiple rows of teeth that are constantly replaced throughout their lives. Depending on the species, sharks may have different types of teeth adapted for their diet. For instance, great whites have serrated, triangular teeth perfect for tearing flesh, while bottom-dwelling species like the nurse shark have flat teeth for crushing shellfish. Despite their reputation as ferocious predators, not all sharks are aggressive. Some, like the whale shark and basking shark, are filter feeders that consume plankton and small fish by swimming with their mouths wide open. Reproduction and life cycle. Sharks have various reproductive strategies, making them unique among fish. Some species lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Female sharks often have long gestation periods, sometimes lasting over a year, and they produce a relatively small number of offspring compared to other fish. This slow reproduction rate, combined with the long time it takes for sharks to reach maturity, makes them particularly vulnerable to overfishing and environmental changes. In oviparous species, like the horn shark, the female lays tough, leathery eggs often referred to as mermaid's purses. These eggs are left in crevices or buried in the sand, where they develop over several months. Viviparous species, like the bull shark, give birth to live pups, which are fully developed and ready to swim on their own. Some species, such as the great white, practice oophagy, where embryos inside the mother consume unfertilized eggs to gain nutrients. Habitat and range. Sharks inhabit every ocean on the planet, from the shallow coastal waters to the deep abyss. Some species, like the tiger shark, are known for their ability to thrive in both coastal and open ocean environments, while others, like the Greenland shark, live in cold, deep waters. Sharks have evolved to occupy a range of ecological niches, making them highly adaptable to different environments. Some species, like the reef sharks, are commonly found near coral reefs, where they play a key role in maintaining the health of the reef ecosystem. Others, like the oceanic whitetip, prefer the open ocean, where they are apex predators. Meanwhile, certain sharks, such as the bull shark, can even survive in freshwater and have been known to travel far up rivers. The role of sharks in ecosystems. Sharks are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain. Their role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems is crucial. By preying on sick or weak animals, sharks help keep fish populations healthy and prevent the spread of disease. In addition, sharks regulate the populations of smaller predators, preventing these species from overpopulating and depleting the fish stocks lower down the food chain. When shark populations decline, it can have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. For example, the decline of shark populations in some areas has led to an increase in ray populations, which in turn has reduced the number of shellfish that rays feed on, ultimately affecting the entire marine ecosystem. Threats to sharks. Despite their fearsome reputation, many shark species are now endangered due to human activity. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution have caused sharp declines in shark populations around the world. One of the biggest threats sharks face is the practice of shark finning, where sharks are caught, their fins are removed, and the rest of the body is discarded back into the ocean. Shark fins are highly valued for use in shark fin soup, a delicacy in some cultures, but this practice has led to the deaths of millions of sharks each year. Climate change is another growing threat to sharks. Rising ocean temperatures and acidification are affecting shark habitats and prey availability. Coral reefs, which are home to many shark species, are particularly vulnerable to warming oceans, and the loss of these reefs could have a devastating impact on shark populations. Conservation efforts. Conservationists are working hard to protect shark populations and raise awareness about the importance of sharks in the marine ecosystem. Many countries have implemented regulations to limit shark fishing and protect critical shark habitats. Marine protected areas, MPAs, have been established in regions around the world to give sharks and other marine species safe spaces to live and reproduce without the threat of human interference. In addition to legal protections, public awareness campaigns are helping to change the way people view sharks. While sharks have long been feared as dangerous predators, scientists and conservationists are working to educate the public about their vital role in ocean health and dispel some of the myths surrounding these incredible animals. Fascination with sharks. Sharks have long captured the human imagination, both as objects of fear and admiration. Movies like Jaws have portrayed sharks as relentless killers, but in reality, sharks are much more complex. Shark attacks on humans are extremely rare, and most species pose no threat to people. In fact, humans are far more dangerous to sharks than sharks are to humans. Sharks are also important to the tourism industry. Many countries, particularly in tropical regions, have developed ecotourism industries based on shark diving, allowing people to see these magnificent animals up close in their natural habitats. Shark tourism provides economic benefits to local communities and creates an incentive to protect shark populations. Conclusion: the world of sharks is one of complexity, diversity, and wonder. As ancient creatures that have roamed the oceans for millions of years, sharks have evolved into some of the most efficient predators on the planet. They play a critical role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems and are key indicators of ocean health. Despite the challenges they face, there is hope for the future of sharks, with growing awareness and conservation efforts helping to ensure that these majestic creatures continue to thrive in the wild. From their remarkable senses to their powerful hunting techniques, sharks are a testament to the beauty and power of nature. By protecting sharks, we not only preserve a species but also safeguard the health of the entire ocean ecosystem. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content on Wild Diary Florence. Let's continue exploring the wonders of nature together.